Okay, guys. So I'm gonna be playing this game where you press the button. Okay. Justin Bieber gets killed in the most painful way possible, but you can't listen to any music for the rest of your life. YOLO. If that's what it takes to kill a little bastard, then I'll take one for the team. That's what I thought. That's that's what I was thinking. I will not lose my music for that idiot. Okay? Not worth it. Just because I don't like Bieber's music or his general attitude, it doesn't mean I want him to die. I would never wish a painful death on anyone. When he first started his music career, he was young, sweet, and talented, I guess, and people were horrendously jealous. This whole Bieber must die attitude is stupid. Pa- Paulie Maverick Brown. I wish I could go back and not press the button. I don't. 30% people have pressed this button. Well, I do feel bad now, so. You would look beautiful without trying at all, but you would be pregnant with 6 babies. Well, um, I am beautiful. It's probably why I got pregnant. But, 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 I am a male, so I cannot be pregnant. It is scientifically impossible, so I will press the button. 33% of people have pressed this button. As a man, what's the upside? Really? Really? What is it? Well, I'm a man, so I'm either going to have no downside or make history. At the same time? Okay, I like it. I like this one. Okay. 10 times faster internet than you presently have, but you can only download 20 gigabytes of stuff a month. We already have less gigabytes of stuff a month. So really, okay. So if I have, it'd be 10%. It'd be 10 times faster. 10 times faster would be a good thing, but only 20 gigabytes of stuff a month is not too much of a good thing. But then again, I think there's already less than that. So nah, I'm not gonna press it. 55% of people have. Okay, the computer is downloading it, not you. Hello, Pooge. We meet again. What? No, Greg 5100. How do you not do it that much? Really? Okay, no, I'm not gonna log in. Okay, thank you. So I guess Australia? Ooh. So I guess Australia? Eh, and, I don't know. You will become famous beyond all imagination in every form of entertainment, but you can never speak normal again in your life. I can create my own. See that, guys? I can create my own. Okay, let me think. Hmm. Well, okay. Their life is better than what people told you, but it's not heaven. Or hell. Why do they need to know whether you're a robot or not? It's mission failed. Okay, scrap. Go back to the thing. Here we go, there we go. Okay. There we go. Went back. You're excellent at using chopsticks, but you can never use a fork again. Fuck chopsticks. I used a good old American fork. They never said anything about sports. It's true. It's true. Joke's on you, I'm already good with chopsticks. All Asians are. I regret nothing. Okay. I'm already excellent at using chopsticks, as I am an Asian. Sharpen the chopsticks. Sharpen the chopsticks. Sharpen the sharpen the chopsticks. I don't know what a chopstick is, but okay. No, thank you. I'm already very good at using chopsticks. I will use always a spoon. I got my spork right here. What? I hate it when people put stupid crap like that on there. Just use your hands for everything. Well, now that's just racist. That's racist. That is. Go wait. Simon Todd, that's the guy that said that. What did he say? Spoon. What? Okay, but okay, guys, that's it for today. Um, I will probably do another episode of this. I'm not gonna label. Well, I'm just gonna name it "Will You Press the Button." I'm not gonna give it any names such as "Will you press the button number 1?" "Will you press the number button?" "Will you press the button number 2?" or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? I won't label it as a series. Yeah, it will be a series. It just won't label the episodes. You know what I mean? But I'll see you guys later. Um, Caesar has left the building.